Once upon a time, on the edge of a small seaside village, where the waves whispered secrets to the shore, lived a curious girl named Leela. Every day after school, she would race to the beach, her heart filled with thrill of adventure. One day, she excitedly searched for hidden treasures among the rocks. She discovered an extraordinary shell. This shell was unlike any others. It was large and shimmering in shades of blue, green, and gold. In the sunlight, it sparkled as it scattering tiny rainbows on the sand. Leela picked up the shell and felt a faint warmth as it was alive. When she brought it close to her ear, she heard a soft, melodious humming sound. Amazed, Leela took the shell home. That night, as everyone slept, the quiet humming turned into a clear, enchanting tune. When Leela touched the shell, it began to glow, filling her room with magical light. Suddenly, a gentle voice emerged from the shell. "Thank you, dear child, for setting me free. I am the spirit of the ocean, trapped within this shell for centuries. Because of your kindness, I will grant you one wish." Leela's heart raced. What should she wish for? Endless holidays, a chest of treasure, or the ability to talk to animals. But she gazed at the shell. She realized what she truly wanted. Taking a deep breath, she said, "I wish to protect the ocean and all its creatures." The spirit smiled and waved its ethereal hand. In an instant, the shell transformed into a beautiful necklace, shimmering in the same blue, green, and golden hues. "Wear this," the spirit said, "and you will have the power to communicate with sea creatures and help them. But remember, great power comes with great responsibility." From that day on, Leela became the guardian of the ocean. She cared for injured sea turtles, helped clean the beaches, and educated her friends about the importance of marine conservation. Soon, the villagers began to notice the changes: clearer waters, vibrant coral reefs, and an abundance of fish. Years later, as Leela grew up, she became an ambassador for the sea. She traveled the world, raising awareness about ocean conservation, and her shimmering necklace remained a constant reminder for her magical bond with the sea. Thus, Leela's kindness not only revived the ocean but also set an example for future generations, showing that when we protect nature, it rewards us with endless wonders. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed the magical adventure. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Little Story Explorers for more exciting tales. Stay tuned for more wonderful stories.